Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it's unlocked, charged, and on Wi-Fi so transfers don't fail. Once ready, open the Contacts app, Google Contacts, or your phone's native app, and grant any requested permissions. This lets the app read and export your data. Next, tap the menu to access settings. Make sure your Google account is listed because you'll back up there. Doing this early avoids lost data later and speeds up the export. Now you'll either export a VCF file or enable account sync. Both work. Pick one based on your goal. If exporting, choose whether to include all contacts, a group, or SIM entries, then save the VCF to internal storage or directly to Google Drive for redundancy. If syncing, toggle Contacts Sync for your Google account and force a manual sync to push current entries. Make sure the file name and save location are clear. Finish by verifying the backup. Open the VCF file or visit Contacts. Google Com to confirm entries. This proves the export succeeded. To restore, import the VCF from your storage via the Contacts app or sign into the same Google account and enable sync. The contacts will reappear. If something goes wrong, check app permissions, ensure you use the correct account, and verify storage access. Re-export if needed. A quick recheck prevents surprises when you switch phones or reset the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.